Meaning of guest worker.
Guest worker.
Guest worker.
Guest worker.
Guest worker. A guest worker is a person who is temporarily employed in a foreign country on a work visa. The term originated in post-World War II Europe, where workers were recruited from other countries to fill labor shortages. Guest workers are typically not given permanent residency or citizenship status in the country where they are working. Instead, they are expected to return to their home country once their work contract ends. Guest worker programs have been controversial due to concerns about exploitation and abuse of workers, as well as tensions around issues of immigration and cultural integration.